Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Life moves fast, faster than our thoughts sometimes, and in that speed, we often react before we truly see what's happening. Today's quote invites us to pause, to notice the small, powerful space where wisdom lives, clarity lives in the space between reaction and response. This quote reminds us that clarity doesn't appear when emotions are loud and urgent. It appears in the pause, that brief moment when we choose not to act immediately and instead allow understanding to catch up. Reaction is automatic. Response is intentional. When we give ourselves even a few seconds between the two, we step out of habit and into awareness. That space is where better choices are made. It's where regret is avoided and alignment begins. The pause may feel uncomfortable at first. Silence often does, but within it, the mind settles, the body relaxes, and perspective returns. Clarity doesn't need force, it needs room, morning intention. Today, I give myself space before responding. During the day, when emotions rise, pause for one full breath before speaking or acting. Evening reflection. Where did a pause help me respond with greater clarity today? Here's a simple tool to carry with you. Use the breath as a buffer. Inhale slowly, exhale fully. Let that breath be the space where clarity enters. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Wisdom often arrives after the pause, and stillness turns noise into insight. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.